Hello everyone. From solid design principles, here we will be making example for single responsibility principle. So first I am creating one class employee. Let me create some properties. Private int id, private string name and double salary. Let me add getter setter for these properties, getter and setters for all these properties. Now I will be creating one method to calculate yearly salary. So function is public double calculate yearly salary, and it will be returning salary into 12. So method to calculate yearly salary. Similarly, I will be creating another method to save employee details into database. So public void save into database, and for the time being I'm just writing the comment logic to save into database, and finally I'm printing the message employee details are saved into database. Similarly, let me create method to save print some reports. So method to print employee reports. So public void print employee details, and here so logic to print details, and finally employee details are printed. So here I have created one example with employee details with their setter methods, and also I have added some functions which perform various actions: calculate yearly salary, save into database, print employee details. Now you can see clearly our class is not performing a single responsibility, so we have given it a lot of functions to calculate the salary, to save into database, to print employee details, which is not a good design. Single responsibility principle, if we want to move with single responsibility principle, which states a class can have only single responsibility. So to make that example, what we need to do, so we need to rectify this code. Let's do one thing. Let me create one package, bad, and I am moving this file into bad package. Okay, and let me create another package that is good, and here I will be creating new class employee, and in this class let me copy the basic properties, and also let's add the getter setter methods. Okay, so this is my model class, employee class. And if I want to perform some work on employee object or some responsibility I want to define here, so I will be creating another class, for example, employee repository. So this class will be taking care of saving employee details into database. So I will be declaring the function public void save into database, and here we will be writing logic to save details into database, and let's print here employee details are saved into database. Okay, so this is the class with a single responsibility. Similarly, let me create another class, employee report generator. So in this class I will be declaring or defining the logic with respect to printing report. So for example, public void print report, and here I will be writing the logic to print employee details, and finally employee details are printed. Okay, so here I can have another class, employee salary calculator, and for example I have method public double calculate yearly salary, and here we can return employee salary into 12. Now in this example you can see I have created 4 classes, and every single class has a single responsibility. So employee report generator is taking care of printing the report. Employee repository is taking care of saving the data into database. Similarly, employees salary calculator is taking care of calculate yearly salary. So this way of writing the code clearly states how a single class is taking care of one responsibility. So here we can say our classes are as per single responsibility design principle. So we will be meeting in the next video with next solid design principle, which is open closed design principle. Thank you.